Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 1995 YZ250. It's mostly here except for the fuel tank, rear fender, but the electrical's there, the carb is there. Bought it from the gentleman who took it apart. It was going to be a rebuild project. I did check the front brake works, the forks are actuating fine. So I'm taking him on his word that the electronics and the carb are decent. The engine, you can tell they went through. I don't know if you can see in the sun here the fresh crosshatch. Clearly they just did the top end, and when you look at the piston, everything in there is all brand new and ready to go. I was told that when they went through, the engine looked good, the clutch was decent. So this is a partial rebuild project, and because of personal issues, he had to abandon ship on the whole thing. So let us know what you need for your 1994-95 YZ250 radiators. What kind of pipe is that? It's pro circuit pipe. The pipe does have a dent there, I can see all of a sudden here. But otherwise, looks good that way. Like I said, the engine is really the deal here, and it's in really clean, and you can see all new gaskets and everything in there that they put it all back together. Clearly fresh top end. I took the cylinder off to see that, and you can see the power valve actuation does good work. So let us know what you need. Subscribe to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks for watching. Check us on eBay to see what we've got. Get a hold of us here or on Facebook. Let's make a deal. Thanks.